Hi, Eric Gibaud here in Tokyo. Ingrid Rodriguez behind the camera. I want to show you this accessory by Freewell that allows me to use my Action 6 by DJI as a camera, photography camera I mean, and it's really handy. So I will show you some pictures, but the important is not the result I get, that you probably know what you can get with this kind of camera, but the way you can hold the camera with the accessory. This is really nice. So it has several pieces. It brings this small wrist strap. I don't know what you call it exactly. Really beautiful, really nicely done. Here you have this part. You can remove this, and you've got a cool shoe for accessories, microphone, LED light, or whatever. These accessories, you can remove it. It actually has two ways of using it. Well, there's two functions. One is to press the trigger, and the other one is thumb rest. I'll place it back. As you can see, it's nice for holding. Here you have the grip. I'll remove this again. So to remove the grip, you just have to press here. This is magnetic, as you can see. Okay, up that way. It's really easy to place and replace. And okay, here you have the cage itself. Actually, you can use it just with the case if you want, the cage. You can still place a stick if you want. Here on the left, you can open, and you have the access to the USB-C if you want to charge it or to connect your power bank. You don't have access to the SD card. Here you have a screw to put a tripod or whatever. And if you want to open it, it's really easy. You just press this. You can slide out the camera, and then now you have access to USB card. It's aluminum, really good quality. It's really beautiful quality. It's soft and it really protects the camera, and also it's easier to hold. It's true that it makes the camera a bit larger, but still, let's see. I'll place everything again in the right way. Okay, let's place the top plate, and we're going to compare with my Fujifilm X106. As you can see, it is smaller, but not that much smaller. And the big advantage, if you already have that kind of camera, you put this this grip, and it's a lot easier to hold for video and also for photography. Obviously, if you want to do handheld video, this is really useful too. Really nice. I remind you, I've got affiliate links in the description. Please use them. And if you wanted to buy Luminar Neo, use the code ERIC10. You get a 10% discount on top of any offer they have, so still place the code. And with ERIC20, you get 20% on K&F, where you will find all the accessories by K&F Concept and more brands. So use it. That helps you, that helps me. That's great. Thank you so much. So as you can see, it holds really nice in my hand. The size is nice. You can always use it without, and just the cage, obviously. Beware that this is really sensitive. It means that when you're going to press, it will make the picture really fast or start recording if you're on video mode. So don't forget to switch off the camera when you put it in your bag or in your pocket, because accidentally you will probably press it and we will start recording or making pictures and use the battery, obviously. My first reaction is to search for the viewfinder, okay? But honestly, this is really a lot more stable. Here you have rubber, really nice. It's a lot more stable than to hold a camera just like this when you want to make picture, or even on a stick. I think if you want to use your camera as a photography camera, it's really good to have something like this. And if you want to use as a video camera, you can still put the stick, leave this on. It doesn't bother unless you for a long time without it. So in this case, you remove this piece and this piece, just leave the cage on it, and that's fine. Take into account that this is a wide angle, okay, so you're not going to make telephoto with this. Second, I recommend you switch off the front screen monitor when you use it for photography, because you will never watch it unless you do selfie, okay? And it is really practical. The way you handle it, really nice. There are several lenses on this camera. You have a wide angle lens. Actually, I have a wider angle lens. Because this one is already wide angle, and then they have also a macro lens. So I also have some Freewell filters like mist filter, ND filter, light pollution, things like this, filters. So you can really create for you a small kit, compact, and a budget that is really reasonable. So I think someone who's doing both video and photography, doesn't want to spend too much money or doesn't want to carry too much weight, that's a great idea. It's a lot easier to handle. Honestly, the results are really okay. I'll show you some pictures. Maybe they're not the best, but we know the limit of that kind of cameras. But still, the results are surprisingly good and better than the smartphone. So I think, well, I feel they're better than the smartphones. So, do I recommend this? Well, honestly, I don't know if you use an action cam for video and photography. If you don't, I don't know if this is for you, that kind of camera, I mean. But if you do have an action camera, I think this is a great accessories that allows you to hold a lot better, whether you're doing handheld videos or photography. If you don't want to use a stick, that's a great accessory. I fully recommend. The quality is beautiful, and honestly, it's just perfect, I think, in my opinion. At least using it, I loved it. So in case you would be interested in it, I'll leave you links in the description where you can buy it. Just here, link, okay? Thank you so much. So, thank you so much to Ingrid Rodriguez for recording the video. It's a bit complicated because I say, turn here, turn there, turn that, turn there, and she follows. So thank you so much. Thank you to Freewell for sending me the cage to test it. And thank you to you for watching the video. If you feel it may interest other people, please share it on social networks. If you have not done it yet, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. The small button down here and there's a small bell. If you click on the bell, you will be notified when I upload a new video. My website, gibaud.com. If you have any question, can leave a comment below. I'll remind you, I've got affiliate links in the description. Please use them. And if you wanted to buy Luminar Neo, use the code ERIC10. You get a 10% discount on top of any offer they have. So still place the code. And with ERIC20, you get 20% on K&F, where you will find all the accessories by K&F Concept and more brands. So use it. That helps you. That helps me. That's great. Thank you so much. Also, leave you my PayPal account in case you wanted to make a donation. Thank you very much. Please take care of yourself and see you soon. Bye.